Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Canva Pro account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel your Canva Pro paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your Canva paid subscription anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know you need to manage your monthly subscriptions. If not, they can kind of get out of hand. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your canva.com account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and cancel your Canva paid pro subscription, here what you're going to do is click on this little gear icon here on the top right. Okay, once you click there, it's going to show more information about your Canva account. However, in order to cancel your paid pro subscription, here on the left side, go ahead and click on billing and payments. It looks like a little credit card icon. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu, but you want to scroll down until you see the section here called subscriptions for your team. So you can see I have the Pro right here and then the cost of it. So in order to go ahead and cancel your paid subscription, click on these three dots. Once you click there, you will get these three options, and you want to click on this button here, cancel plan. It looks like a trash can. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up, and Canva's going to ask, are you sure you want to go ahead and cancel? And it's going to name off the features that you've already used. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on continue cancellation. All right, once you do that, they're going to ask you why you want to go ahead and cancel. Go ahead and choose the reason why. Okay, once you've done that, click on this red continue cancellation. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my Canva Pro account, but there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel your paid Canva Pro subscription, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.